Well, hi there, I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management, and today I'm taking you on the tour of 488 Winthrop Street in South Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This is a beautiful single-family home with 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and so many little things that you are just gonna fall in love right away. So sit back and relax. I'm gonna take you through this entire home, and after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place that you're definitely wanting to call home. So let's get started. So we are starting the tour outside today because we love for you to drink in the surroundings and also see the exterior of the home. And as you can see, there's a driveway for parking, all tandem parking, no side by side, but there is street parking available. We're gonna come up the front steps here. You have a sizable front porch, perfect for patio furniture if you'd like to do that. And you can sit out here and enjoy the beautiful view of the neighborhood. When you come inside, you have a beautiful, beautiful living room. Lots of light, lots of original hardwood. It is so beautiful. Also, the neutral color palette makes it easy for anyone to transform this to their own taste. There's also a coat closet here. You get a hang bar and a shelf. This will take you into the kitchen, but we're gonna hit the dining room next. So you can do these rooms however you want to. This makes a lot of sense as a dining room, and there is plenty of space to be able to stretch out, put a nice big table set in here, and some additional furniture. Now we're gonna come into the kitchen. You can also, PS, do this as an eat-in kitchen. You could very easily do some high stools here to do like a little breakfast nook situation. You can do a little cafe set here to have like just something where you can, you know, sit down and read the paper, enjoy your breakfast, your dinner, whatever it is. But there is an ample amount of countertops. So you have this beautiful bank of cabinets and counter right there. You have countertop here, and then you have this cute little galley set up here with beautiful, beautiful matching appliances. PS, gas stove, so lovely. And you've got a brand new dishwasher here too. We're gonna come on through here so we can come down into the basement. I wanna make sure we can check out those washer and dryer connections. Just gonna turn some lights on. Now, this does get wet. However, you can see there is a built-in pedestal to be able to put your, one of your machines on. And then there's additional blocks down here that you can use to make sure that you elevate your machines. There's nothing we can do about the wetness down here, but you can keep your machines up and effectively use this space however you want to. And also, little side entrance, so you don't have to go to the front door every single time you want to come into the house. We're gonna take it upstairs because we have so much more to see. Coming up the steps. First place we're gonna stop is the full bathroom. Big, beautiful bathtub, nice tall shower head. You've got medicine cabinet, vanity storage. You have a great closet in here for storage. And then obviously your bathroom facility. Across the hall here, we have a room that would be suitable for probably a full, maybe a queen, depending on your taste. It also has a little closet space here, and this leads you up to the attic. We'll pop our head up here. Nice open real estate to use for storage. We love a good open attic that has easy, clean, open storage space. Across the hall here, we have a bedroom that will be suitable. I would say you could get a king size bed in here. It's got beautiful hardwood floors. And then you have your closet here with a hang bar and a shelf. And then last but not least, we have the last bedroom, a little bit smaller than the one across the hall. I think you could still get a king size bed in here. And you have a huge closet here with 2 big hang bars and a shelf. Well, dang, is this house cute or what? I am sure you are so ready to call this home. So what you need to do to make that happen today is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You're going to look at our listings and be able to find all the information about the property. You're going to be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, kind of like me, you can call the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because we are anxious to help you make this your home.